Welcome back to another Infinite Painter tutorial. Let's draw this super easy rocket launch illustration. Select the gradient tool, choose the radial option, and drag it from the top. I'm using these color here, you can copy the hex if you want. Create a new layer and draw some stars on the top right corner using the Splatter brush, then lower its opacity. Merge this layer and create one more layer. Start drawing the smoke trail of the rocket. Fill it using the Paint Bucket tool. Create a clip layer for this layer and change the solid fill option to linear. Select the given colors. Now, smooth it out using the blur filter. Create a new layer and draw more smoke on top of the previous one, using different color. Make sure that both ends touch the previous smoke. It's okay if the middle part goes out. Just draw randomly as you please, and add variations to the clouds. It's almost done. Create a clip layer for this layer and add some color to the layer. Create new layer and draw the rocket glare on it. Draw a circle and a straight line passing through. Apply the blur filter on it. It's not enough, we have to draw it manually. I'm merging all the layers so I can record it properly. You can skip this part. If you do merge, then remember to merge the clip layer first and then normal layers. Create a new layer on top of the background layer. We will draw clouds on it. Draw them in the circular motion. It would be easier if you draw the base line and circle first, then complete the each part later. After drawing the clouds, fill color on it. Create a clip layer and draw the shades on it. I forgot to add color to white part of the smoke. Let's do it right now. Select the smoke layer and use the selection tool on it. Select all the white part of the smoke and add some color to it. Thanks for watching.